Jeff, you know what they say about real estate, the most important thing.
Absolutely. Do not live next to your mother-in-law.
No, that might be your most important.
Absolutely my most important thing in real estate.
But they say location, location, location is the
Yeah,
most
I've heard
important
that.
thing.
Yep.
We're here in Branch Creek, a neighborhood in Dorchester County, Summerville, South Carolina. It's a beautiful neighborhood. It's close to everything is why I mentioned location.
Fantastic.
5 minutes to Target over there. Downtown Summerville's like 5 minutes away.
Yep.
All kinds of restaurants, shops.
Yeah.
Tell them a little bit about the house.
Beautiful house, 2,333 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Out back, it's totally like private and quiet. If you go out the back gate, there's a walkway that goes around the neighborhood. And there's also a really nice playground in this neighborhood.
Yeah.
I think you're going to love the floors inside and the fireplace. Let's go inside and check it out.
All right, Jeff, my favorite 3 things about this house.
Yeah.
This backyard is so cool, secluded.
Gorgeous.
Step out to the walkway like you said earlier.
Yep.
The porch upstairs.
Yeah.
You can see the whole neighborhood up there.
Yeah.
It's right off the loft. And then I love a master down in the house.
I do too. And this back porch here with these beautiful drapes, and I don't even know, are those drapes? Are they curtains? Or are they?
I think they're sheer drapes, maybe?
Sheer drapes. He came up with a new word for me. This house, totally move-in ready. The upgrades they've done in this house, the way they've taken care of it, it's absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions about this house or any others, you can check out our website at charlestonaraliving.com or give us a call at
843-732-9977. Have a great day.
See ya.